So Gado invited us to go for a community run. Too bad Gado himself had to back out last minute. I guess we have to carry on and try to enjoy the day and meet new friends and reconnect with the old ones. It's just a short fun run in the mountains of Tanay, a popular trail runners playground back in 2011 to 2013, Mount Batulisong. It offers some scenic views and runnable trails.
The boys are here! Glad you made it. Ayun, mga bundok. Pangalan niya. Oh.
Kristian's in the back.
So, I'm running with the champs. Stingray and Kristian over there. I feel like a champ too. Clarisse over there.
The TV is in the back.
The legend, June, the back. I'm so out of place. I think this is my last few minutes with everyone. This is the only view you'll get. They're back. You can't see their faces anymore. They're too fast.
You got Simon in the back. What's up?
Feel like a pro, man.
Easy pace. You made Killian do. You made Kristian do holes.
We got invited here at the North Face Community Run. Get to run with the champs, with the elites, with the veterans. Lucky to be here, part of this, because I'm nowhere near their level. And it's so nice to talk to them. So very down to earth, very approachable, very accommodating people. Kristian, Stingray, Sir June, like it's a good crowd and loving it. Love the trail too. We've been here before many times. Very honorable trail. It's a good venue, good choice by the organizer. So it's going to be a fun day, super fun day.
You're gonna get screwed if you use trail shoes. It hurts the knee.
Ako ba, recovery ito, sabi niya sa akin. Nga nga, grabe.
The environment is very delicate. I've been able to see the change in the mountains in the 20 years that I've been doing outdoors frequently. The tree line is changing, forests being converted to farmlands, mining sites, subdivisions, resorts, and golf courses. That's very rapid to see nature changing in a 20-year period. So it's important to get everyone outside and see what and how rich we are and what we are losing as well. To be able to appreciate also means being an ally to protect our source of food and water. I'm grateful that the outdoor community is growing and people slowly realize how important to know our roots. Hope we could have more of these.
Going down, just had a good chat. Everyone was rowdy, everyone was funny.
Got a good tan.
Good tan.
Tanning session.
Stingray here.
It's nice there, no?
It is.
Nice for the, but very short.
It is too short.
50 meters.
Yeah, it is. It's a warm-up trail. So, wishing Stingray good luck on his race. He's gonna fly to Thailand, right?
Thailand.
And then tomorrow he's gonna start training. He's gonna be the nation's pride. Eventually he'll do UTMB. So we'll be rooting for him. We're gonna flood the comment section cheering for Stingray, just like we did last year. Woo!
Yeah.
So,
We'll join first Valdaran by UTMB.
oh yeah, he'll do that too. So he'll do some qualifying races first, and he's gonna ace those. Hopefully he finishes strong, injury free, and bring home the bacon. So good luck to you. Thanks for having us here. It was nice to run with you and converse with you. Such an inspiration, fellow. Cheers.
How's the weather?
It's nice. It's very nice. Miss the heat actually. Sometimes when you are in Baguio and it's cold, it's really depressing.
What the Miss the heat.
A mí me llaman el maestro swinga por mi manera de bailar, yeah. Cuando paseo en el Cadillac, las chamaconas comienzan a cantar.
Si tu boquita fuera de chocolate, si tu boquita fuera de chocolate, yo me la pasaría, bate que bate, yo me la pasaría, bate que bate, ay bate que bate, de chocolate, ay bate que bate, de chocolate, bate que bate, de chocolate, ay bate que bate, de chocolate. Bate que bate, de chocolate, ay, si tu boquita fuera de limón verde, si tu boquita fuera de limón verde, yo me la pasaría, muerde que muerde, yo me la pasaría, muerde que muerde, ay, muerde que muerde, de limón verde, bate que bate, de chocolate, ay, chupa que chupa, de pan de azúcar, besa que besa, de pay de